Forgot your iPad passcode and now you're completely locked out? Maybe your screen says iPad unavailable, or you just can't remember the password no matter how hard you try. This situation is more common than you think, and it can feel really stressful, especially if you don't want to lose access to your device. In this video, we'll show you 3 easy ways to unlock iPad without Apple ID or password depending on your situation. Let's dive in it right now. First method works if your iPad has Find My iPad enabled feature and you have access to another iPhone or iPad, sign in with the same Apple ID. Here is how to do that. To begin with, open the Find My app on another device. Go to the Devices tab and find your locked iPad in the list. Tap on it, scroll all the way down, and among the preferences, select Erase this device button. Then confirm your action, and that's it. Your iPad will be remotely erased, including the passcode. After that, you can set it up as the new device or restore from a backup. This is one of the fastest ways to factory reset your iPad, but it only works if you already have access to the same Apple ID. However, in case if you don't have another Apple device, you can do the same thing using a browser. Simply go to iCloud.com official website on any device. Sign in with your Apple ID, the same one that is linked to your logged iPad. Then open Find My iPhone, go to All Devices list and select your iPad. Here, click on Erase iPad button. This will remotely reset your device and remove the screen passcode automatically. Again, this method is free and works well, but both the first and the second options have an important limitation. You need to know your Apple ID credentials. If you don't remember them, these options won't help you. Now we are moving to the third method that is considered to be workable even if you have forgotten everything. This is where a tool like AnyUnlock comes in. It's designed specifically for situations when your iPad is locked and you don't have access to your Apple ID or password. What I personally like about this utility is that the process is very structured and easy to follow. The interface is clean and you are guided step by step, so you don't need any technical skills at all. Here is how it works. First, download and install AnyUnlock from the official link right in the description. Then open the utility and select Unlock Screen Passcode option. Next, connect your locked iPad to your computer using USB or Type-C cable. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery or DFU mode. Here, don't panic. The software shows you exactly what to do, depending on your iPad generation. Once your device is detected, click Start Now button to continue. AnyUnlock will automatically download the correct firmware for your device. Then click Unlock Now button and the process will begin. After a few minutes, your iPad will restart automatically. And that's it. Now the passcode is completely removed and you can set up your iPad as the new device. However, please note, this process will completely erase all data on the device. But if you are trying to unlock iPad without passcode or you don't know the Apple ID at all, this is the most complete solution for you. So let's quickly summarize. If you have another Apple ID device with the same account, use Find My application. If you only have a browser and know your Apple ID credentials, use iCloud.com official website. But if you forgot everything, you can use AnyUnlock to unlock the device directly. So yeah, now you know how to unlock your iPad without Apple ID or password depending on your situation. If you're dealing with a completely locked device and don't have access to your account, you can check out AnyUnlock. The official link right is in the description below. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any useful tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching guys and see you in the upcoming review. Peace.